Hey guys, welcome back.
Hey
Today
guys.
is a T-Rex vs Rex toys. This is T-Rex time. This other one. Okay.
Hi guys.
You want help?
Okay.
Tell daddy.
Okay.
Okay, sit down.
Help me.
Help me.
Okay, we do this. Oh, thank you. What's this? T-Rex vs Rex toys. It's too slow.
Too slow?
There's a snake.
Oh no.
Oh, we fight. Okay.
You like it?
Yes.
What is